इवेंट एंड एग्जीबिशन की हर खबरें मैं आप तक पहुंचाती आई हूं और इसी मकसद से आज मैं हूं गुजरात द वाइब्रेंट सिटी गांधीनगर में। This time Municipalika 2014 has organized 12th Integrated Conference and Exhibition on emerging trends in substantial market and integrated city. Yes, this is the exhibition called CAPEX, Construction, Architecture, Planning, Engineering and Expos. So why wait? Let's go inside and have a discussion on this with these delegates and the dignitaries. Please follow me.
There is a talk going on across the country. Smart, smart, smart. Now I am the minister, so everybody, whoever greets me, and then say, okay, one smart city. As if it's in my pocket, I can give it to them. Take smart city. Whoever greets me, they say, one smart city, sir. There is a wrong concept. People are thinking that the cities will be constructed from Delhi, brought, then put here in Junagadh. मेयर भी आया, ऐसा नहीं होगा। कोई अलाउद्दीन नरेंद्र भाई के जो पे कोई अलाउद्दीन अद्भुत द्वीप ऐसा नहीं है। तो if you want to have a smart city, you need to have a smart leadership. Smart do not mean hat, coat, boot, suit and all. Smart means a person who has got a vision, a person who can take bold decisions, a person who can remove encroachments, a person who can limit taxes, a person who can collect back revenue, a person who can adopt a transparent method, a person who is accountable. If you have such a leader, then the city definitely develops. So without a smart leadership, but now the mentality in some of the Indian cities, I'm sorry, I'm a minister, I have to say the fact, the local municipal chairman gives the representation to the district minister. The minister gives representation to the chief minister. Chief Minister gives the representation to Central Minister. Central gives the representation to Prime Minister. And Prime Minister gives the representation to World Bank. Paisa ऊपर से आएगा नहीं. You have to generate revenue. You have to collect taxes. There lies your capacity. You can collect taxes provided if you are doing things in a transparent manner. पारदर्शिता के साथ आप काम करो, लोग अपना टैक्स पे करने के लिए तैयार होंगे। आप टैक्स इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं, कैसा खर्च कर रहे हैं, मालूम नहीं है किसी को। पारदर्शिता नहीं है, ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं है। बीच में लोग कमीशन खा रहे हैं तो भ्रष्टाचार है। अरे सड़क नहीं बना, ड्रेनेज नहीं बना, पानी नहीं बना, फिर भी टैक्स बढ़ाया, अगला चुनाव में हराए। अब इस बीच में देश के दुर्भाग्य पॉलिटिकल नेताओं ने बाकी काफी, मैं किसी एक्सेप्शन किसी पार्टी का यहाँ आलोचना नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज ये अधिकृत प्रोग्राम है, इसमें मैं पॉलिटिक्स बोलूंगा नहीं। लोगों ने कहा फ्री सब फ्री पावर माने लो पावर, देन नो पावर है तो फ्री पावर ही होगा। बिजली नहीं है तो बिल्स कहां से आएगा? गुजरात ने पूरा देश को मार्गदर्शन दिया। गुजरात हैव शोन टू एंटायर कंट्री देयर इज नो फ्री पावर, बट देयर इज फुल पावर, देयर इज assured power, there is quality power. That's why Narendra Bhai was able to manage the state for 12 years without even free power, because he was giving assured power. That should be the example for the entire country. I go around, I tell the people, some of my party men in those states say, sir, जब जोर से मत बोलिए सर, हम मूड ऐसा है लोगों का फ्री कहां से है? और political parties or political personalities and national leaders, they should really create confidence in the people, and they must create atmosphere to produce more, grow more, create wealth, then you distribute. But now the tendency is not to create wealth, but distribute. Without creating wealth, if you start distributing, then you will become a pauper. You have to go for IP. In Telugu, I used to say Telugu, in Telugu language, some of my leftist ideological friends used to say Panchali. Panchali means distribute. Then I used to tell them Panchali, ante mundu Panchali. First you increase the wealth, then distribute the wealth. And then I used to tell them to understand, if you don't create wealth and distribute, then you will be left only with lungi. You are distributing everything. Telugu is a catchy word. Panchali ante Kanchali. Kanchakunda panchate, pancha matrame velutundi. Lungi is called as pancha. So friends, the leadership of the municipal towns and mayors and also the other people working, they must have the courage and conviction to say, we want this, we want widening of roads, we want bypass roads, we want flyovers, we want ring road. Then you need to tax the people and collect the money and then use it for betterment of the city and create facilities. You have a Surat example. कुछ शहरें बहुत अच्छा बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं, तेजी से विकास की ओर जा रहे हैं, but many cities do not have the resources. But they are seeing in TV, they are seeing in media, new reports, stories about Barcelona, story about Surat, story about this city, story about that city, and people they will urge among the people, हमको भी ऐसा करिए भाई, रोड थोड़ा भजन होना चाहिए, थोड़ा रिंग रोड होना चाहिए, थोड़ा एजुकेशन हब होना चाहिए, मेडिकल हब होना चाहिए, वहाँ एंटरटेनमेंट हब होना चाहिए, यहाँ भी 3D मॉल आना चाहिए, यहाँ सबके लिए मकान होना चाहिए, स्वाभाविक है। तो इसलिए इस सिचुएशन को मीट करने के लिए जो नेतृत्व करने वाले लोग, हम लोग should all of us who are leading the municipal bodies, we must have a vision, we must have a commitment, and we must have the caliber, then we must have the conduct to implement this. For this, there is a need for change of mindset. There is a need for paradigm shift from past to new thinking, where you provide services, you better the lives of the people, you collect taxes. वाटर सप्लाई किया, टैक्स होगा, बिजली सप्लाई किया, टैक्स होगा, बढ़िया ड्रेनेज सिस्टम किया, टैक्स होगा। लोग टैक्स देने में संकोच नहीं करेंगे, मगर पहले सुविधा उपलब्ध कराओ। सुविधा उपलब्ध कराने के लिए आपके पास पैसा नहीं है, हड़कों से लोन ले लो, नहीं तो जेका से लोन ले लो, बैंक से लोन ले लो। वो लोन देंगे कब देंगे, जब देंगे कब आपका कैपेसिटी, तब वो रीपेइंग कैपेसिटी है। So that being the case, we must all think seriously about the improving of the urban finances, improving the governance. I will just give you a small example. One lady in my state, Tanuku, by name Renuka, she was just a young politician. She became a mayor of a small town. She has put up sign boards in every ward. अपना शहर में हर एक वार्ड में उन्होंने पब्लिक डिस्प्ले करके साइन बोर्ड लगाया, इस वार्ड से कितना पैसा कलेक्ट करेगा और उस वार्ड में क्या क्या विकास का काम हो रहा है, उसका कितना एस्टिमेट है, कब शुरू होगा, कब तक पूरा होगा। ऐसा उन्होंने डिटेल हर एक वार्ड में, म्युनिसिपल वार्ड में बोर्ड्स लगाया। एक साल में इतना परिवर्तन आया, लोग प्रसन्नता से पैसा दे रहे थे म्युनिसिपालिटी में टैक्स देने में। म्युनिसिपल टैक्स का इंप्रूवमेंट हो गया, रेवेन्यू भी इंप्रूवमेंट हो गया। और हैदराबाद की कहानी बताऊं मैं, हैदराबाद में रिसेंटली डिजिटलाइजेशन और कंप्यूटराइजेशन ऑफ लैंड रिकॉर्ड्स पूरा हो गया प्रॉपर्टी। उसके पहले हैदराबाद रेवेन्यू वाज 765 करोड़। ये कंप्यूटराइजेशन पूरा होने के बाद विदाउट इंक्रीजिंग, विदाउट एनहांसिंग, उन्होंने बढ़ाया नहीं टैक्स, फिर भी 1035 करोड़ हो गया रेवेन्यू। लीकेज था, लीकेज को इन्होंने कराया। तो दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ IT. When you do duty with IT, it will be duty, and then you will have a lot of revenue duty also. We have to go for innovative thinking. We have to maximum use IT in cities. So these are some of the ideas I have in mind. I am also planning in the coming days, the central government will fund only those states and those cities which are ready for reform. It's a beautiful occasion to discuss, debate and decide. In democracy, that is the way. Discuss, debate, decide, but don't disrupt. 3D, Varma. 3D, discuss, debate, decide. Don't destroy.
I am Anand Nampurkar, Managing Director of Iowa Engineering Private Limited, Pune. We are involved in manufacturing of all the components related to house service connection. What is house service connection? House service connection is nothing but the pipeline, whatever the corporation or water distribution company lays. From there to your house, we have got the full product range. It starts from strap saddle, ferrule, elbows, straight couplers, water meter enclosure, then wire strainer and other components related to this full pipeline. These are all our unique products. Few of them are patented by us. Our company is 100% Indian. The products are developed in India itself. These are our own designs. Our company is involved in innovative product development.
My name is Sunil Uppla. I am Executive Director of Shubham Rhinex India Private Limited. We manufacture new technology water storage tanks in a joint venture with an Australian company called Rhino Tanks. These tanks are used for infrastructure development, primarily for storage of drinking water, raw water, for sewage treatment plants, and for various other applications like storage of fire water as well. Primarily, these are tanks which would eventually replace concrete structures, as these are very fast to build. They have, they require no maintenance, and they have a life of more than 60 years. So we have found that in developed countries, less and less concrete structures are used for storage of water. So we feel that this could be one of the better alternatives for growing infrastructure development in India. This actually is a very old technology. In Australia it has been around for almost 35 years and been in India for close to 4 to 5 years. We are actually trying to create an awareness because in India it is very difficult to convince people to change over from something which is conventional. So the technology behind this is very simple. Actually, this has got a metallic structure which is in a corrugated profile form, which gives the strength to the structure. Inside there is a liner which holds the water. It's very fast to build. It is totally assembled at site. Tanks up to 2 lakh liters can be assembled at site in one day, and a tank of up to 2.5 million liters can be assembled at site within a week. So it is that fast, So, and being made out of metal and a very heavy duty liner, multi-layered liner, it has virtually got no maintenance and upkeep as it is required. For concrete tanks you have to do waterproofing, painting and all these things. So there's nothing of that sort required to be done.
My name is Saurabh Bagaria and I am a divisional director working for Rolta, and I manage the GIS business of Rolta. So Rolta is a more than 3 decades old company, primarily driven by IP and solutions. It's an indigenous company with presence over worldwide, and we have done a lot of work in the space of municipality and local government. So we are here in the exhibition to tell you how we can help build smarter cities in the world. So the theme where we come from is that we help you to plan and then enable you to prepare for building a smart city, and then we will help you to build it.
When you say building a smart city, what is the definition of this smart city? What do you mean by actually a smart city?
Well, it depends on who you ask. So there are many versions of smart city. Some people call it is optimized utilization of resource. Some people talk about it as being enabled to efficiently provide citizen the service. Some people talk about sustainable cities. But if you try to consolidate all this together, smart city, there is no absolute definition, but it's, I think, it's working of different system and people together so that it is convenient and easy for all, and we are more efficient, and we respect environment, we respect each other, and in general people are happier there. Okay. So first we need to plan and identify what all do you want to. So there are two ways of thinking about it. So one is that you are building a new city, or you have city and you want to make it smarter. Building a new city typically is a little difficult to start from scratch and let you analyze the process too. So most of the time we have a city and we try to basically make it smarter, enhance it. So first thing is to be able to know what's wrong with it. So we help you plan it and find out the pain points. What are the key pain points? What are the areas which which needs development and improvement? So that is the first step, to know where you are, where is the potential to improve. Then we identify and find the ways which will help you to basically improve and go out making things, and basically, and then finally build it. So for example, in a particular city, majority of the problem would lie in excess of potable water for the common public. Some cities it may be electricity is a problem. Some cities like Mumbai may have traffic as a problem. And usually, so key pain points. So you don't transform a city overnight. So you take the key pain points, few areas in the city, and one by one you analyze them and optimize them. And IT plays a key role. Rolta has been working with many cities across the globe and local bodies to make those smarter, providing them e-governance solutions, safety security solutions, to help them with preparation of master plan, to help them prepare the underlying data that may be required to build various systems.
Vishnu Chaudhary from Steslite Limited. We are having our head office at Kolkata and branch offices in Delhi and Hyderabad. We generally provide smart solutions for implementation of smart city component by integrating software development, GIS, mapping, survey and embedded electronics into our product. So we integrate this 4 vertical to come out with solutions of GIS-based municipal cloud, RFID-based waste management, smart water meter solutions. So these are our whole product that we are showcasing over here, and these phones are actually our product where we are using this product to come out with smart solution in terms of GIS and survey portion, and for industrial use also. These are rugged smartphones that are dust proof, waterproof, damage proof, everything. First of all, we all are talking about green. So this is our first step towards the green environment, where we can eliminate papers in terms of survey forms. So we can actually save the paper, but we can have applications in this where we can develop our own survey form that can have geotagged image with GPS location, and that data can be directly fetched in a GIS database either online or offline, and that can be helping in the decision making systems.
Crompton as lighting, it does not need introduction because there is such a big legacy of lighting Crompton has. And when we talk about lighting, you know what counts is the install phase. And today we have 35 years of legacy behind us, and more years ahead, where we offer lighting solutions for smart cities. What you see here is basically, if you look at the electricity consumption in India, more than about 40% of the electricity consumption is in lighting. So this is where our expertise lies. We are an engineering company, so our same engineering technology we applied in lighting. We have our own LED photogoniometer. We have the LM79, LM80 testing in-house in our Kanjurmarg.
Yes, streetlights as per the requirement. Streetlights on, streetlights off, streetlight dimming, and everything on your requirement as per the convenient to the customers through your laptop, through your tab, and through your mobile. So it is all smarter solution, what we call it, and this adds features to the smarter city. So this way we are adding the features: automation, streetlight automation, beautification, and with the energy conservation as per the application of the customers and users. So these are the few products you can see, and one of the best project we did in Ahmedabad, which is at Sabarmati Riverfront Development.
I am Vijay Manoy, General Manager Marketing for Supreme Industries Limited. We are market leaders for plastic piping systems. Any product which takes transfer of water or liquid anywhere on surface or underneath it, we manufacture products for the same. You can actually see the kind of range we have. One of the oldest in the industry, almost 70 years old. And we do have a lot of innovative products. One of them is manhole and chambers. We are the only company in India who is making this in plastics, in PP material. These are a very easy replacement of conventional chambers which are made out of cement and other things. Very easy to use, maintenance free, very long lasting, long life. We have put them in BMC and they are under trials. Likewise, the range of pipes and fittings which takes care of plumbing for irrigation purpose, for sprinkler systems, uses of hot and cold water, anywhere it is used, for industrial systems. We do have exports of almost 250 crores. We cover almost 20 odd countries outside India. We have offices in Middle East also and Dubai also.
Yeah, myself Vishal Bhargat. I represent Cybertech Systems and Software Limited, a company based out of Mumbai. It's a Indian multinational company. What we do here is Cybertech is very much into helping the local municipal corporation and urban local bodies for various functional aspects like property tax management, health and emergency response management, the citizen redressal systems. So exactly, on GeoCivic, which is our flagship product for municipal corporation, we help them to do the property tax complete management system. As I was showing that it has got mobile interfaces, it has got citizen online payment system, it has got the officers interfaces. So what I am showing you is a surveyor application which can run on any mobile device or handheld device, by which a surveyor can go in field and start collecting the property tax related information right from the field itself. Here you can see a building can appear on the surveyor module, and you start filling the information, and that information gets synced with the property tax management system of the municipal bodies, so that the tax updates are being done in real time, and corporation generates the tax in real time on day-to-day basis. And subsequently, a citizen also can go on this application and start paying the property tax bill online, by using the mobile apps, tab apps, or any online application. So this is how the JioCivic helps the citizens as well as the municipal corporations.
प्रधानमंत्री ने एक लक्ष्य दिया, हमको एक मैंडेट दिया 2022 तक सबके लिए मकान की व्यवस्था। इसके लिए प्राइवेट सेक्टर में जो भी कर रहे हैं, आप लोग देख रहे हैं, क्रेडे वाले हैं, रियल एस्टेट वाले हैं, प्राइवेट डेवलपर्स हैं, वो अपना काम करेंगे। हमारा कंसंट्रेशन होगा इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शन के लिए, हमारा फोकस होगा LIG के लिए, लो इनकम ग्रुप, और हमारा फोकस होगा जैसा मैंने कहा जो सेक्शंस को अपने आप कैपेसिटी नहीं है मकान निर्माण करने के लिए, उनके ऊपर फोकस करेंगे। इसके लिए सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट टैक्स इंसेंटिव देंगे। टैक्स इंसेंटिव माने जो इंटरेस्ट सबवेंशन का नाम दिया हमने, इंटरेस्ट जो चार्ज करता है बैंक, उसमें से कुछ मात्रा में परसेंटेज सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट भर्ती करेगा। ये अप फ्रंट देगा, वो भी अप फ्रंट माने एक बार दे देगा। कारण क्या है, वो उनका जो वो जो है ना वो तो कम होगा, भार कम होगा। ये एक स्कीम है, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल हाउसिंग मिशन नाम से इस कार्यक्रम को लॉन्च करने वाले हैं। इसके विधि विधान तैयार हो रहे हैं। EFC जाने के बाद, कैबिनेट में जाने के बाद इसका सार्वजनिक रूप में उद्घाटन होगा।